Hello, friends. Welcome again. And this is my new project, Pharmacy Shop Management System. And I have developed this project in Spring Boot, Angular, and database I'm using the MySQL. And for ID, I'm using Visual Studio Code for coding that front end means Angular, and for uh, API and microservices, I have used STS. But if you have Eclipse, then you can configure and run your microservices, Spring Boot microservices there also, right? So currently I'm using STS. You can see this is the STS, and this is the folder structure I am following, right? You can see these are the files here, right? These are the exceptions. So these are the files of the pharmacy shop management system, right? So these technology stacks I have used for developing this project, pharmacy shop management system. As I told you earlier, this is a Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL based project, right? So for Angular, I'm running it on port 4200, and for Spring Boot, I'm running it on 8080. That is the Tomcat server port, right? So for running this project, you need to import the data, import the application in STS or Eclipse, and after that, you can import the project in Visual Studio Code, and you can run it. You can see this is the running, and I'm running it on 4200. This is a 4200, right? And you can see this 4200 port I'm running the project, right? And all of the data is coming through API. So the user ID, once you run this project, then you will get this login page. The user ID is admin and the password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get this dashboard, right? This page, right? So these all are the restricted, means you can access it after the login. So let me go through one by one. So this is a dashboard. You will get this page. These cells start. Here you need to enter the customer name and the customer mobile number to start the cell. So I am entering Amit Kumar and the customer mobile number. Right. Once you click on the start cell, so you will get the sales dashboard here. Here you need to set a product. So this drop down is containing all of the products which is available in the database, right? So if you want to add more product, means medicine, then you can add it from the add product page. Enter the quantity. So I am entering 12. Once you click on the add item, then you can see the price per unit is 12. So total things are calculating automatically, right? Suppose this is one and I am writing two, so this one, right? If you want to delete anyone, just click on delete. So this is a full-fledged sales dashboard, right? You can see the amounts and the quantities are getting calculated automatically, right? Once you complete your part, just click on the save cells, and this the information of this whole page will be saved into the database. So you can see the information has been saved into the database, and the order ID has been created 106, right? And you can access it later also. So let me show you in the order report. This is the 106, and once you click on this click button, you will be able to see all of the order details. This is a product report. All of the product which you have added will be displayed here, right? And you can add any number of product. If you want to edit it, just click on the edit. You can see this is the product form. You can add any number of products from here. It can be medicine, it can be pharmacy product, any of the, it can be anything which you sell in a pharmacy shop, right? This is a product report. This is a add product. If you want to add any product, then this drop down is contains the product type, right? So this is a dynamic drop down. All the drops downs are dynamic, right? So you can select from here, and you, after entering all of the fields, you can save the details. This is a company report, means which company belong that product belongs to, that medicine belongs to, so you can manage it from here. This is add company. From here you can add any number of company, right? So let me show you. So I am entering some garbage details. Once you click on this is a company. If you want to delete, just click on the delete. That company will be deleted, right? This is add company. This is a category report, means what category that medicine or product belongs to. Is it syrup, it is a tablet, capsule, cream, spices, anything. You can add a category, and that whole category will be displayed in this drop down, right? This is a dynamic drop down. All the companies will be displayed in this company, right? This add category. From here you can add the category and the logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed and internal pages will not be accessible, because all of the internal pages are login authenticated. You will not be able to access, right? Once you click on the logout, you can see you has been redirected to the login page again. If you want to access it, just click on the login and you will be able to access the pages, right? So if you want to log out, just click on the logout, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project pharmacy shop management system, right? And as I told you earlier, this is a Spring Boot, Angular and MySQL based application. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.